Hi everyone, good day. I am Lance Joseph GALURA from BSc Wonders 10. I'm about to present to you the Bio-Psychosocial model of crime, causation, mental insanity, and criminal responsibilities. Let's go to our first topic, the Bio-Psychosocial model of crime, causation. Let me divide it into three different words. Bio, psycho, and psychology or social. Let's go to bio. What is bio? To make it easier to remember and understand, bio refers to physical aspects or physical factors of a living organism or creature. In the simplest meaning, bio means life. Biology. Biology also talks about the physical health, physical condition, physical factors that's like the physical status, etc. Let's go to psychology. What is psychology? Psychology talks about the coping skills, behavior, reactions of the situation, and thinking, and etc. When we hear the word psychology, we might think that psychology is about the behavior of an individual or person. Who do you think who are those people who studies behavior of the individual? They were just called psychologists. Psychologist studies the behavior of a person if there is something wrong about him or about her, on how he act, on how he behave, or how what kind of behavior he have or he has, right? So for example, there is a child that so sad and irresistible like that. So maybe there's something wrong about him. And also inside the room and it's quiet. So maybe he's in the time of experiencing anxiety, depression, in such there's something wrong and there's a cause. Why does the child experience that disease? So the psychology will study about that. So what's the reason why he got that experience? Um, do you know that psychology also studies the interaction between genes, hormones, and physical aspects of a person? I will tell you that later. So what is the biopsychosocial model or BSP? Biopsychosocial examines the individual's biological, psychological, and sociological aspects. If there is something about a person, so that, for example, the psychologists also, mostly the psychologist uses biopsychosocial model. Now, not all the not psychologists are the only profession that uses BPS. Also, some other professions, like for example, doctor. A doctor has a patient that has pneumonia. The doctor might think or wonder what kind of social situation that leads to this kind of disease to the child. Maybe the child has a cold place and her family doesn't have enough weather protection to his body, or maybe they don't have enough money or budget to deal with this in the first place. That before the pneumonia or the simple cough get into pneumonia. So now, um, biopsychosocial, the biopsychosocial, criminology, and psychology are partners that understand the situation or that understand or studies the individual's behavior, such crime or in a criminal person or accused person. For example, an anti-social behavior the, of an accused of a person. And they also studies what are the consequences of that behavior. Just like I said earlier that the biopsychosocial criminology and psychology also study the interaction between hormones, genes, and physical health of a person. Now, I will give you some situational examples of biopsycho and biopsychosocial model. So let's go to bio. So there's a father named Gil that has been accident. They're caught in an accident that he got uh, he got damage in his head that causes him to lose his ability of balance, just like this. He already lose his ability to walk, to jump, to run, something like that. That is what we call the bio or biology, the biology. Now, since Kel has become a person with disability, so he will not able to move. So we will go to psychology. So just like what I said, in that situation, he might get depressed because he cannot move or he cannot do such a thing like what he used to do before. So maybe there might be a chance that their family or friends will leave him because of that. So he will be sad, depressed, anxiety because of that situation he's in. So let's go to social. The social. Oh, rather, I'm sorry that um, in psychology he might get anxiety, depressed because he don't know if how will he able to earn money for family. For a family that you don't know, you can't move, right? So we just sitting around and just lying in the bed, just like that. So there, there's a connection in the social. That just like I said, that you might get lose his wife or family or friends because of that because they are not able to move and go around. He can't go around because of that situation he was in. So what is the connection of the BPS in the cause of crime? So if you get such disease or defect in your body, physical, mental, or social, or just like that. For example, I'm angry because everybody leaves me, so I'm already alone, and they have they I don't already have them, so I'm already alone. So I'm just lonely, so sad. So I just want to kill them because I'm angry to them. So just like this, hey you were with me before, right? So because I have this kind of disease or I have this kind of disability, you already don't have you already not consider me as a friend or as a father or as a person. So I will just get I will just kill you this time, just like that. So that will be the cause of there will be the cause of crime. So let's go to criminal insanity. What is criminal insanity? It's already or it's understood that the criminal insanity is a defect or is a disease of a person because criminal insanity is the you don't know if your actions is good or bad or is it still beneficial to others or yourself. For example, you just have a gun and you don't know if this is good that to aim this at a person and you accidentally pull the trigger and you already killed that person. But you don't have you are not at yourself because you are insane, right? Or you're crazy or it's like that. Or you have disease or you have defect in your mind. So that's what that's what the mental insanity. So those who have that kind of disease, they are not going to in prison or they will not get to jail because they don't know that they already get or they already do such a crime because they don't have the ability of that. They have the defect of the crime. They don't. They have the defect in their mind. So let's go to the uh, criminal responsibility. Criminal responsibility that you have they have the requirements rather. So the requirements are is you need to you have to know or you have the ability to know if it's good or bad, right? So since or you really have the desire to do this kind of thing. For example, uh, I don't know if this is bad, but I just want to kill you, right? I want to kill you, pa. So you have the possession of um, Nasriya, right? Nasriya. So you will get the you already commit a crime because you know that you killed the person, but you don't know if there's a law that you don't know if there is a punishment about that. So if the person don't know that he will get punished if I kill this person, so that will not be a crime, right? So that's all. Thank you.